A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, say, when Jesus did a heal people, him never partial. Him heal people were fame people and people were never fame people. All him did a look for. I want a little faith for him work with. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 7 from verse 24 to verse 30. After that, Jesus left go a Tyre area. Him go in a one house and he never want nobody to know say him did it. But he couldn't hide. One woman in the area did have one like a girl picnic with demon, the control. Same time she hear about Jesus, she go to him and drop herself at him foot. The woman did talk Greek and she did belong to the Syrophoenician tribe. She begged Jesus to run out the demon out her daughter. But Jesus answered say, make the picnic them eat them belly full first. Cause it not right to take the picnic them food and give dog. So she answered him say, Lord, that are true. But even the dog them under the table, nyam the crumbs them were dropped from the picnic them. Then Jesus said to her, say, you see, sake of what you say, you can go on home. The demon gone out of your picnic. When she reached home, she see her picnic lie down upon her bed and the demon gone out of her. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.